Have you ever wondered why some of the greatest artists, writers, and musicians throughout history have struggled with their mental health? Is there really a connection between creativity and the mind's emotional state? Stay with me because today we're diving deep into the fascinating link between mental health and creativity. Creativity is often seen as a gift, an incredible ability to bring new ideas to life, express emotions, and challenge the norm. But what if I told you that creativity and mental health are deeply intertwined? Many studies have shown that highly creative individuals often experience intense emotions, higher sensitivity, and even mental health challenges. But why does this happen? And is it a blessing, a curse, or both? Let's explore this connection and find out how creativity can impact mental well-being. First, let's talk about the scientific side of things. Studies suggest that creativity is linked to certain brain functions, particularly in the prefrontal cortex and limbic system. These areas are responsible for emotion regulation, divergent thinking, and problem-solving. But here's the twist. Many creative individuals show higher activity in these regions, which can sometimes lead to heightened emotional sensitivity, mood swings, or even conditions like anxiety and depression. Now, let's take a look at history. Some of the world's most brilliant creatives, Vincent van Gogh, Sylvia Plath, and even Robin Williams, struggled with mental health issues. While their work was groundbreaking, their inner battles were profound. Does this mean that mental health struggles fuel creativity, or is it just a coincidence? Not necessarily. While mental health challenges can lead to deeper self-reflection and expression, creativity is not exclusive to those who suffer. In fact, creativity can be a tool for healing. Art therapy, journaling, music, and other forms of creative expression have been shown to help people process emotions, reduce stress, and improve mental well-being. Have you ever felt better after drawing, writing, or simply listening to music? That's the power of creativity at work. Let's make this interactive. Think of a time when you used creativity to express your emotions. How did it make you feel? Share your experience in the comments. So what can we learn from this? If you're a creative person who experiences mental health struggles, you are not alone. The key is balance, using creativity as an outlet without letting it consume you. Prioritizing mental well-being through mindfulness, self-care, and seeking support when needed can help you harness creativity in a healthy way. The link between mental health and creativity is complex, but one thing is clear: creativity can be both a challenge and a gift. The key is to embrace it while taking care of your mind. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. And remember, your creativity is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. See you in the next video.